Lesson number 3, safety concern. Most animal drugs are quite potent and must be handled with extreme care. Now remember, you're dealing with wild beasts, so the drugs are strong. Some of the drugs, if breathed, can cause your mental health to change. And it is rare, but some animal vets start to grow fur because they were exposed to the vile drugs. If your facial expression starts to become that of an animal, you will need to seek help immediately. And always keep a recent picture of you before and after, and it helps the medical profession determine how bad you are eat up with the animal transformation disease. And the picture will indicate how much of a danger you are to them and to yourself. Another symptom of drug exposure is if you see a pig walking up your driveway and no one else sees it. Well, making sure it's real is not a hard problem. Just do not panic. It may only be that you have been working too hard and not being haunted by an unsatisfied, tough customer.